How we doing, everybody? Hope you guys had a good rest last night. We're going to jump right in. You saw the thumbnail, and that's what we're going to talk about. $63 million is about to be sold off in the altcoin community. And if you don't know what coins are going to be sold off, you're probably going to be experiencing some losses in these coins. You're going to be like, what the heck happened? Why did we just get a sell-off in these? I'm going to show you guys exactly what coins are going to be sold. Not speculative. What are the actual coins going to be sold within the $63 million sell-off? And if you are within probably the top 3 coins, if you hold any of the top 3 coins, you're probably going to experience some decent losses in your accounts. I'm going to show you why one of these coins, Matic, is probably going to see a pretty decent break because it's going to break a really strong support if this happens. So please watch this. Link and Matic. You better get ready if you own those coins and some other ones I'll share with you. Quick update for you guys real fast. It's been a crazy morning this morning. We've won 4 more trades, 720. You guys can see this. We just won Cardano, Polkadot, Polygon, as well as Cosmos. Was very excited about this morning. I'll do an update tomorrow, give you guys a week update, but we are currently sitting at 208% called out for all of our scalping trades. We are 2,080% higher than the S&P 500, and we just crescented over 50. We are now 52 wins, 0 losses, and 7 trades that are actually active, and we just called out 2 more this morning for all of our members. So in the description, if you guys want to join the scalping trades, it's just $59 a month. We are calling all these out under our website, tradeconfident.io. Just go to trade setups and you guys can see all of these. All right, let's get into the meat of this whole video here. Celcius begins crypto dump. 63 million has been sent to in exchange for repayments. Celcius has taken action to address its financial situation by initiating the sale of its altcoin assets. These assets were subsequently transferred to Falcon X, has nothing to do with Elon's rocket, an intermediary, let's get that word right, platform that facilitated their onward transfer to the well-known cryptocurrency exchange Binance, okay? So here is a list, an exact list of the coins that are going to be affected. And it is extremely ironic, one of these coins on this list and what's happening this morning. I'll share that with you guys. Link is going to see a $19.2 million sell-off. Matic, $13.6 million. SNX, 7.8. Aave is 7.3. BNB is 3.1 million. UNI is 2.3 million. 1inch is 2.3 million. ZRX, 1.9 million. And XAUT is going to be 1.7 million. Do you own any of these coins? If you do, continue the rest of the video because I want to show you guys something. Starting this morning, this was yesterday, so please be aware of that. This is 24 hours ago this was written. So starting yesterday, Celcius has been actively transferring cryptocurrency funds to Falcon X, an institutional exchange. Blockworks has reported that these transfers' cumulative value has reached $63.3 million. Analysts have raised concerns that Celcius's ongoing liquidations could harm cryptocurrency prices, particularly for the assets included in the fire sale. Among Celcius's altcoin holdings, Chainlink is speculated to face the highest selling pressure compared to other assets being offloaded. Well, why is this? It's because they're going to sell $19.2 million of Link, which I probably think is going to happen within the next 4 to 5 days. So let's go over to the chart and let's take a look at probably the most ironic thing happening this morning, that out of all the coins, can you guys just tell me which coin is pumping far head and shoulders over all the other coins? It's Link. Link is up 16.64% right now. It is on a rampage, and this is the #1 coin that's about to be dumped, okay, with millions of dollars. What do you guys think is happening? Do you guys think, I'm speculating here, do you think that they're trying to pump Link because it may just be the #1 coin they're offloading? Maybe there's a pump in the market to anticipate profits, and then they're going to dump it out on all the retail traders? So here is something you guys can do. I am not a financial advisor. I want to make that very clear. But if you guys are in Link, if I was in Link, I am not in Link, I would be taking profits. Let me give you guys some more data here. You are sitting at an 83% chance of a drop on the trades in favor indicator. Price risk while money flow. Well, money flow is up here at a level where if you guys look at this in the past, take a look at this right here, drop in the market. We saw this up here around these same areas. We saw a drop in the market. Right here around this area, we saw a drop in the market. It has been very consistent that when whales have bought to this degree in the market, we have seen drops back down, okay? That is Link. Please be careful in Link, everybody, if you're watching this. Now, let's go to something else that's a little bit concerning for me as well, and that is Matic. If you guys take a look at Matic and go to the chart, this is where it gets a little sketchy for everybody in Matic. If you go to Matic and you simply just look at the structure that's forming on Matic, do you guys see anything that concerns you? Because to me, I do. If you take a line here, go to the bottom, and I want you guys just pull this up until you hit something right there. Do you guys think that a $13.6 million sell-off in Matic, probably within the next 3 to 4 days, will have any effect on this structure? You're currently in what's called a rising, broadening wedge pattern here, where you have it narrower at the left and it broadens to the right. From an impulse move down, this is usually bearish. What do you think happens when millions of dollars comes out of this and you break an ascending support line? This is most likely going to see Matic drop down here. I would say conservatively, you're probably going to see Matic back down to about 66 cents. If not, maybe come down to a structure low here of about 60 cents. So you guys really need to be watching Matic, okay? The other ones on the list that you guys need to be watching, SNX and then Aave and also BNB. Is this a lot of money compared to the overall market cap? No, it is not. It is not at all. And there is an argument here to be made that says this is not going to drop out the altcoin market that much. And I do agree with that. However, the particular coins, Matic and Link, if you are in those, it is almost impossible not to experience a drop unless there is an institution out there that is pretty much partnering up with this article. The article comes out for the retail traders and it says, retail traders, we're going to dump. We have evidence of that. And you have another institution out there that buys as the dumping is happening. Follow me here. They buy as the dumping is happening, so the price goes up. So when all the retail traders look to sell, they shoot the price back up and they short squeeze all the retail traders. So how do you now take this wisdom and how do you trade these coins? Well, I'm going to go to Link because it's probably going to be the one that's going to see the biggest earthquake. Link, here's an idea. If I owned Link, here's what I would probably be doing. If I owned 100% of Link, I would probably be looking to take out 50% right now. The reason for that is that if there is another institution that's going to be buying during the time of the sell-off, and it hasn't actually visually reflected in the price action of Link, and then you see all the retail traders sell off when the news comes out that they finally dumped it or they're dumping it within the next 24 hours, you're going to get short squeezes. So I would position myself to be out 50% in cash so I could then take advantage of the drop when that comes into the market on any of these altcoins that are in that list I showed you guys on that diagram, and then leaving 50% in case there's manipulation that it goes back up. I'm not a financial advisor, but that is something that I would personally be doing if I was in any of these coins, okay? And then watch the trades in favor indicator down here because you're at an 83% chance of a drop, and this has been right far more times than it has ever been wrong, okay? So I wanted to give you guys an update on that. I'll end this video with this. I don't want to do like a bunch of sales or whatever, but if you guys are watching the indicators over here, then I'll make this very fast. The Pro Indicator Pack, that's where you guys get to watch the percentage likelihood of a market dropping or a market going up. This is for the Bitcoin markets, the Link markets, the Ethereum, whatever it is. If you guys get the Pro Pack here, we're going to give you guys as members $150 off. Non-members use a coupon code here, TC50, and then you guys are also going to get $400 off the top and bottom finder. We're using these to win all of our scalping trades. We're very, very blessed by this. And if you guys are just looking for a way to be consistently profitable, I don't know if you guys are already profitable, but if you're struggling there, I'll tell you this. The only thing differentiating you from successful traders is that successful traders just know other data that you don't currently know. It's not a big secret. Once you start seeing how we are calling these trades out and you guys go over to the membership, you get the membership. It's actually up to the right side over here. I'll leave a link in the description. It just says join membership. Once you guys get in there, get into the Telegram channel, come over here, join that. That's where we're going to be calling all these trades out. You guys can see it right here. Here's the 4 wins we just called out this morning. Here are new trade setups we just called out for you guys. Once you're in the Telegram channel, we'll email you and we'll give you a Telegram notification of all those trades. All the trade setups can be found right here. Tomorrow, I'm going to be coming out with a video for you guys of how I'm trading my $250,000 account and how we're going to trade this up to over $1 million going through the halving event. So if you guys want to do quick scalp trades, we've got that covered. We're very blessed and we hold the highest win rate on YouTube we can find for scalping trades. But There's a lot of you guys who don't only like the fast pace of scalping, but you want to know how to grow your accounts to $1 million plus. That is what we're doing in Future Forecast, and I'll come out with a video actually tomorrow morning for that. Not to turn this into like, hey, here's what all of our members are doing and you're missing out, but it's like, really, we have an extremely high scalping win rate, and if you guys want to scalp, like come scalp with us. Like I think you guys are going to like it, but if you want to start growing your accounts and take your account from, I'm at over here close to $250,000, of how we're going to trade this over $1 million, that's going to be the Future Forecast coming out tomorrow. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this alert was really good for you guys. If you're in those coins that Celsius is dumping, just please be extra careful, and you may want to execute some risk management on these altcoins potentially today or tomorrow, just before the potential crash could come into the market. Because $63.3 million is not a small chunk of money that's going to be exiting the market, especially when it's concentrated on the main two coins, Link and Matic. All right, guys, I love you. All the links to the membership and the indicators are in the description. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys, and God bless. Bye-bye.